got done with my period. I have the worst skin right now. My hair is very tacky. I think it's just the right time at this point to put it in a protective style. Time for you glow up. I'm ready for this glow up. I want to glow up. Are you ready to glow up? I was having the worst, literally the worst migraine last night, and I took this. This is a lifesaver. This, oh sorry, I'm holding it wrong.
Who taught you to hate the texture of your hair? Before you come asking Mr. Muhammad, does he teach hate? You should ask yourself, who taught you to hate being what God gave you?
I use this to do my edges because you cannot be going about with messy edges, you feel me? Guys, this is a very important tip. Like, this is classic. Do not ever as a black girl walk about with crack or like just like ashy lips. Always moisturize your lips, like bruh. If you don't like lip gloss, because lip gloss is very thick, you can use lip balms. Lip balms are very, like, you know, moisture friendly, and they are lighter than lip gloss. So this is usually my go-to combination. Because I have full lips, I don't put the black eye pencil up here and up down here because I'm going to look hideous, so I only put down here. And smack, smack, smack. Shea butter lip gloss. I got it from a supermarket in Lagos. Listen, folks, do not walk about smelling like bleh, like a fish. Nobody likes a girl that just have a bad odor. You don't really need an overall over-exaggerated perfume collection to achieve a good smell. You just need like one or two. So I have this Rams Latafa Gold, and mind you, I always get compliments on this smell. So coconut vanilla orchid for body spray, gentle collection. I got it from my classmates that sells perfume, and I just go on my ear like this. A coincidental thing that happened. So in case you don't know, my sister left for Canada last year April, and when she was leaving, I got this exact same hairstyle, and unknowingly this is the one that is making her 1 year official in Canada. And I didn't even know I still got this same hairstyle. It's when I finished getting the hairstyle, we're like, oh my gosh, she's almost the same hairstyle. So yeah, so kidding, so kidding. Look at it. Guys, this hair hurts so much, but it's part of the glow up. So what are we gonna do? Nothing. Everything is giving soft girl. You don't really need to be doing too much.
Came here to pick up an item that will aid in my financial glow up. I wanted them to install a software for me.
Shower clock. So in case you don't know what everything shower is, let me educate you. Pamper day, shaving, exfoliating, just like proper body wash rather than the regular just wash and go. And because of the whole title of this video, which we're glowing up, we're gonna be doing that today. Before, I used to use extract, but extract became so expensive, and I got to know about Dove from TikTok. I've used every color there is, but this one, this pink, I love it. Soft, smooth skin, moisturizing cream, and hydration. Oh my god. Body scrub, Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub, exfoliate and renew. How did they know what we're trying to do? We're trying to renew and glow up. Like, they are smart. This thing smells so freaking smells so freaking good. 2 body scrub, the main body scrub and the exfoliating body scrub. I used to have the scrunchie before, but I forgot it at home, so I had to get this. instead. And I've actually been seeing on TikTok that this is the best. Who knew? When I was younger and my mom would buy us sponge and buy us this, I used to hate this sponge so much. I just felt like it was so local. But now it's like so popular and everybody's like recommending it. Buy the African net sponge. Yes, of course you know this. This like you put it on your hands for the body glow. And then last and not the least, I have my simple moisturizing face wash, which is always the last and not the least. So now let us bathe. Guys, if you know you have a crush on me, you have to close your eyes because you cannot be seeing me naked. Like, that's just so improper. So you guys will have to just close your eyes for a little bit because, or if you don't even want to have a crush on me and then you watch me bathe, I feel like you're going to have a crush on me because the body is just tea, you know? The body is too tea. Like, I'll be having a crush on myself. Shoot, like, I'll be closing my eyes and I'll be looking at myself in the mirror because I don't want to keep falling in love over again. But seriously, guys, it's time. Like, it's time. Close your eyes now. Guys, it's time. I've already shown you guys everything I'm going to show you. It's time. Like, we mean business now. See, I'm not playing. You guys are still looking at me. Like, guys, I'm shy. I'm so shy. Guys, please, I know. Just close your eyes for just like give me a minute. I just need some privacy. Like, the towel is already coming off. Like, I'm not kidding. You pass you here. Ochi. Like, stop spying on me. Like, this is like private moment for me now. Like, why you guys being so clingy?
Me, myself, and I, it's all about in the end. It's what I found out. It ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my
Well, there you have it, my everything shower. I hope you guys close your eyes when the do was doing. I hope none of you peeped me, cause I'm out. All right, let's go get dressed. With coconut oil because I shaved and we do not want any bad stuff happening to us. Body fresh and clean. I'm going to be going in with this. Why everything is so hard for me to open? Guys, I'm a fragile girl. Period, girl, period. I also want to change my phone case, so I got this white phone case. You already know white just have this like cutesy, very demure thing in the belly, and I got me some phone suction. How you gonna be going up, girl? How you going to be doing a clean girl aesthetics when your phone case is nasty? No, that's not cute at all. And my nails, you will not survive the end of this glow up. This one fell inside the toilet or something when I was wiping. Anyways, the main reason why I want to tell you people about my nails is because I'm matching with like, isn't it cute? Like, I didn't even notice. Oh, remember, we're not only glowing up physically, we're also glowing up financially. I'm taking an online course, and this course has been so like very motivating. Like, I just want to keep doing better. Shine bright like a diamond.
See,
how you can find different angles to sell it. When you have bought that one and tested it, when you have bought that one, then you test it. Okay, because it is unwise to buy in bulk a product you have not tested. A lying fallow, laying fallow in your house, in one corner of your room, because you could not test it, because you could not sell it.
I'm kind of bored of learning, so I just want to take a quick break. So I'm just going to do a little bit exercise. And twerk. And twerk. And twerk, 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 twerk. As I'm also trying to glow up physically, I'm also trying to glow up mentally and in my way of behavior. I need to get to this case. So I know this person, let's call this person A. And the person was telling me that they lost their phone. And I'm thinking, ouch! Oh my gosh, you lost your phone. Like, that is so devastating. There was on their laptop and there was like, oh, sharing hotspot. Life revolves around our phone these days. When you don't have your phone, it's devastating. I can't even imagine what A is feeling. And I'm sitting like the mile away. They're like, A is like, oh, bring your phone. I'm standing there like, okay, do what you gotta do and then give back my phone. The A is like, oh, I want to track the phone too. Imputes his details into the iCloud thingy. The thing is literally saying, oh, iPhone not found, which obviously it's not going to be found because, sadly, thieves are smart. They're not about to take something and expect you to find it ASAP. I had to contact somebody, the person I was going to pick up the laptop with today. I was going back and forth to the person, meet up, everything. And, iPhone battery just runs down a lot. And I wasn't about to, since I had to go from where I was to the place to pick up the laptop, I didn't want to strain my battery. I didn't want to just be on my phone so my battery doesn't drain, so that when I actually go to get the laptop, I'm not going to be stranded. Because I don't walk around with a charger. So it's like, leave your phone and go and sit down. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. So now A is mad that I'm not giving them my phone. And A is like, oh, you see how you're acting? Like, in my situation, I understand that somebody is upset when the person's phone is missing and I'm not understanding the situation, but trust me, I genuinely understand because my phone has been stolen before and I understand that thing. But I just want to understand why my phone has to be the bone of contentment here. Because sadly, the freaking phone, my phone is not going to be the thing that is going to be able to track that phone. Because even if you want a professional tracking, you have to go to actual professional, like somebody with a laptop and hacking and all these type of things. My freaking portable iPhone is not going to be the one to do the job. It cannot do the job. It doesn't have the power to do the job. You feel me? So now let's talk about if it's about the hotspot thing. Like, a hotspot can work from all the way across the room. And mind you, the freaking hotspot was not even working because for some reason my hotspot was just not detecting on this laptop. Because now I'm feeling like shit. It's time to wash this shit up. I feel so bad, like, oh my gosh, I should have left my freaking phone for this person. And why do people always make me feel this way? Why do they always take myself and when I want it back, they always act this way. When I borrow people money and I want to ask my money back, they act like I'm in the wrong for asking for my money back. Anytime I just get something, I want to ask for that stuff back. They people make me feel bad. I don't just know why. This is why I like to date myself. Because whenever I'm by myself, everything is peaceful. But whenever people come into my life, they cause chaos. It's time for bed. This is my favorite time of my day, guys. When I can lay down and watch TikTok so I can sleep off. Am I the only person that cannot just sleep off unless my body is comfortable? Like, if I've not done my nightly routine, like brush my teeth. Oh, by the way, I already brush my teeth off camera because I don't like watching people brush their teeth on camera. My favorite part, which is this. I do not know how to use it. It hydrates and refreshes the skin, leaving it glowing and smooth. Ooh, did you hear that? Glowing. Like, bruh, that is the point of this video, man. The point. We're trying to glow up. Ew, it's so slimy. Oh, this is disgusting. It's actually put on my face, but we're trying to glow up, right? Ew. Ugh. It's just necessary. I'm already perfect. Oh my gosh. Guys, I feel like, I Her face is like put together. That's how it feels. Like I feel brand new. I kind of feel good now. Always remember, no matter the type of glow up you do, if you don't glow up mentally, I don't think it's worth it. As you're glowing up physically, always be glowing up mentally and in every part of your life, so financially, physically, emotionally, spiritually. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. Of this video. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this video. I enjoyed glowing up. I enjoy using all the products I use. And yes, okay, I want to say one more thing before the end of this video. I usually see people whenever they're going to bed, they be putting a lot of perfume. I'm sorry, but like, that's not really my style, you know, because if I'm sleeping, I want to be rid of every product, because if there's any product on my skin, I will not have a good sleep. I'm just going to be feeling sticky. Like